Dito kami, naghihintay ng sunrise habang nagbo-bonfire. Morning! Happy birthday! Ba't yun sa birthday? Birthday niya o birthday? Happy birthday! Finally, blue soil. Our kamote is looking good. We'll be ready in a few minutes. Hello mga ka-senior. It's a very cold morning here in Sagada, and today we are preparing for a full day of adventure. We're going to see the Sea of Clouds. That's the first item of the day. And then we're going to Blue Soil. We are going to the Saturday Market. Probably we're going to Legdanum and many more destinations around Sagada. So join us as we continue our exploration of Sagada, a beautiful place here in Mountain Province. Let's go! Nagluluto na tayo ng breakfast. Luto na itlog. And then you have hot dogs. And then magpa-fried rice tayo. Maganda yung ganitong lodging house na kompleto na. And then may mga dining table. So yan. So fried rice. Perfect breakfast. Sagada. Siyempre may mainit na kape. So, nagbe-breakfast na kami.
Morning!
Morning! Meron kami hotdog at saka itlog. Yan o. At tayo aakit ng bundok ngayon. Kaya nyo ba? Kaya. So, kailangan natin kumain para...
Sarap ng breakfast.
Sarap ng breakfast. At saka lamig kagabi.
Oo.
Yan yung makasama ko.
Yeah. So, lahat kami nasal.
Hindi, okay na. Mamaya, it's 5 a.m. and papunta na tayo sa ating first destination, Pugo. Yan. Okay. Okay, ating latching. Sarado na muna natin ang pinto. Laki pala na ating. May sundo pala tayo. Okay. Dito tayo sasakay. Morning, kuya. Okay. Dito tayo sakay.
Para may iba naman yung sasakyan ninyo.
Oh, okay lang. Laki pala para sa maraming tao to. Okay. Okay. Tayo.
Morning, bro.
Okay.
Ay, sakay. Ito yung birthday girl, no? Birthday niya. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Happy
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to me.
Yeah! Anong birthday wish mo?
Long life. Yung palagi, no?
Long life. Yeah,
Para marami pang bumalik dito.
So, anong in-expect nyo yung araw na to? Gagawin natin? Okay, yan. Ready na tayo. Pogo. Sea of Clouds. Ang dilim. Mga nakamotor na nauna sa atin. Kiltepan Pogo. This is still part of Kiltepan. Mga nakamotor na nauna sa atin. Mayayamang biker yan. Okay. Mga tao ng bikers natin. Medyo ano yung daan. Talagang rough road. Nahirapan sila. So, may mga bonfire. Dami ng tao maghihintay for the sunrise.
may mga nakaka-tenden bikers. Naka-jeep ka dahil medyo mahirap yung papasukan mo. Nagre-register na tayo. Nagre-register na si birthday girl.
5 a.m.
May bonfire. Bonfire habang naghihintay tayo ng sunrise dito sa Calteban. So ito kami, naghihintay ng sunrise habang nagbo-bonfire. Morning! Happy birthday! Batiin niyo sa birthday niyo. Birthday niya o birthday niyo? Happy birthday! Sa'yo dito. Dami naghihintay ng sunrise. Nagpapalamig dito sa... Nagpapainit dito sa bonfire. Hanap tayo ng pwesto. Meron palang pababa doon. Hanap tayo ng pwesto. Gusto na yung mga tao. Hanap kami ng pwesto. Nakapwesto na yung mga tao. It's 5:30. 5:31. Okay. Saan? Sa baba. Ayun, dami ng tao. Harapan para makakuha ng magandang view. Kaya ba? Kaya? Ayun, nakapreso ng iba. Dito tayo sa may mga batuhan. Yan, medyo matalas. Okay. Kaya. Ano, kaya pa? Nakahanap na kami ng pwesto. So, mamaya, dito daw sa sunrise. So, kita namin na rice terrace. Hintay-hintay lang tayo. Maybe sunrise will be about past 6 o'clock. So 5:36. So namnamin muna natin ang lamig na Sagada. Pero nakapreso na tayo, magandang preso. Dahil ko na pala sa preso dito. Looking for the sunrise.
Head count. Ay, hindi na ka 5.
Slowly nag-start tayo. Sea of clouds. Isa na yung sunrise.
Ganda ng kuha.
Covered pa with clouds. We are waiting for the sunrise. It's 6 o'clock. Maybe in 10 minutes, hopefully, we can see the sunrise. But still, very, very heavy fog. So, hopefully, mamaya-maya konti makita natin. So, we're waiting for the sunrise. Habol naman natin Sea of Clouds. So, kaya Sea of Clouds lang yung pinagpakita. Are you okay? 6:11 dapat may sunrise na, so yan, very cloudy pa rin, Sea of Clouds. But the weather according to this is 15 degrees 15 degrees dito sa Sagada, and even daytime it will be 20-21, malamig talaga dito. So looks like hindi natin makikita ang sunrise today. Supposed to be kaninang 6:15. It's already 6:23. So yan. But anyway, we're very happy to see the Sea of Clouds. Daming taong naghihintay ng sunrise. Not disappointed, but I think the best thing is at least na-appreciate natin yung ganda ng Sagada. With or without sunrise. So marami mga tao doon sa taas. Nakikita nyo ba sila? Ayun, makit sila doon. But again, ito yung dito dapat sumikat ang sunrise, pero wala. Super nice. Maraming Japanese painting. Sea of Clouds. Ganda. Ganda, oh. We're done with Pogo and now to our next destination, Luzon. Pero may dadaanan muna tayo. Ito pala yung dinaanan natin kanina, madilim. Medyo mahirap pala. Hindi kaya ng kotse.
Lalo na pag umuulan.
Lalo na pag umuulan. Ganda. This is Sagada. Foggy morning in Sagada. Daming ano.
Ito naman yung papunta ng Malboro.
Ito yung papunta ng Malboro. Ito, ang daming guests, oh. Sagada upside down house. Yan. Upside down house. Baliktad. Firehouse. Kaya kapin. Arrive sa jump off point ng Sagada Blue Mountain, Blue Soil. Pakita mo nga, ano ba yan? Ibang klase, nahiya naman ako dito. Okay, umpisa na ng ating trek. From parking, dito tayo mag-uumpisa. Ayan. Trekking. Sabi ni Manong 30 minutes daw. Let's see. So, subukan natin. First time natin ng Blue Soil. So excited. Let's see kung talagang blue nga ba yung Blue Soil na yun. Okay tayo dyan. Birthday greetings pa.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Thank you! Happy birthday! Tayo nang galing. Yun yung parking. Medyo packet din. And then ito, akit pa rin tayo doon. Doon. Continue trekking. Doon pa tayo. Sa dako pa doon. Okay naman, medyo gradual lang yung trail. So ninanam namin natin yung view. Maganda talaga. Akit pa rin tayo doon. Nagbababaan na sila. Ganda ng trail. Nagbababaan na sila. Some of them came from Marlborough Hills. And then may pababa sila. Rest stop naman along the way. You can buy drinks. Yung dog nag-trekking yan. At bumili tayo ng buko juice. Ang buko juice magkano? 40 pesos. Buko juice tayo. May nagtitinda along the way. 1 pot na lang daw papaakit ng Blue Soil.
Kala mo kasi joke eh. Kala mo joke na.
Papahiya ka sa kanila.
This is like doon tayo pupunta. view from here. May mga villages. Again, continue tayo ng trekking. Tuloy pa rin ang ating pag-trekking. I think medyo malapit. Nakikita ko na yung mga wires na yan. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating pagta-trekking. Medyo flat na itong portion na ito. Hanggang lang tayo saglit. Hopefully malapit na. So, continue ang ating trekking. Medyo sabi ni Kuya, malapit na. Sabi ng ating guide, mga 5 minutes. Pero may naman, dito sa lugar na ito, if they say 5 minutes, it's 5 hours. Okay. Continue lang tayo. Kaya pa naman. Slow but sure. So, may mga wild berries. Oh, ayan. Wild berries sa loob. Still going up. Cool. Yan na raw yun. Sana yun na nga yun. Blue soil. Ay, malawak din pala. Medyo maraming tao.
Corrosion ng copper sila. Parang yung Stage of Liberty ngayon, konti na daw nagbuko, sabi nila.
Maraming tao. Kaya muna tayo. Kuya, bakit po blue yung blue soil?
Kasi po yung lupa natin is copper or tanso sa inyo.
Tanso.
Oh.
Matagal na ba ito? Or ngayon,
Matagal na po.
Pero ngayon lang na-discover.
Mga 2010 gano'n.
Pero alam na ng mga locals to.
Alam
Matagal na rin alam. Ganda oh.
Pag nawala po yung mga kahoy na magiging ano din siya. Kaso yung mga kahoy is parang siyang nag-handle para hindi makalbo ng ganito.
Okay.
Ang nakakapagtaka lang dyan, pag nakita nyo na ganyang kalaki, pagbalik nyo ng 20 years or 30 years, ganyan pa rin yung laki niyan. Pero pag umuulan naman naanod siya. So ibig sabihin, buhay po yung lupa natin.
Kasi nagaan siya.
Lapit. Finally, blue soil.
Parang sabi siya. Sabi siya.
May makita ka pa yung kasama.
Sino yun?
It's really huge. Malaki siya talaga. Really turning blue. Yung detalye. So natin talaga. Really, really blue. So ang sabi sa atin, this area is actually rich in copper. So that's why kapag nag-mix ang copper at saka oxygen, copper oxide. So copper oxide turns into blue. The same principle kung bakit ang Statue of Liberty becomes blue after exposure to the elements, to oxygen. So now we have a blue soil. Not actually soil, but it's actually copper metal. Nakapila sila for picture taking. Blue soil.
Una na siya. Ganito pala ganitong oras.
Blue soil, see you again soon.
Oh, group picture.
Dami oh.
Kaya po dumadami ang mga ito dahil pwede silang mag-asawa.
Okay, bakit?
Maniwala ka, ma'am?
Ang daming pictures na ito.
Pero pag nakabuka, babae.
Ayan oh, ang daming
Pero
picture.
mostly po, ito yung mga survival ng mga tao dito. Po yung nasa
Yan,
loob.
ito yung portion nito, pwedeng inumin.
Oo.
Ah, okay.
Dahil nakasarado pa. So at least fish pa yung nasa loob.
And then,
Pero yung nakabuka na may mga germs nang nakalagay.
Pero yan, nanguhuli ba ng kulisap yan?
Hmm?
Nanguhuli daw ng kulisap. Finally, pabalik na tayo sa parking. Malapit na. So, basically, mga 45 minutes ang trek. Paakyat tsaka pababa. Siyempre, nagtagal tayo doon sa taas. Mga 1 oras dahil in-enjoy natin yung blue soil. Yan yung parking. So, finally, we conquered blue soil. Matagal na natin gustong punta. But now, finally, we did it. At age 63, we did some trekking. And to see one of the most beautiful soil in the world. A blue soil because of the copper deposits. In the meantime, ngayon, time for lunch. We've stopped over sa Saturday vegetable market.
Tapos,
Gulay tayo. Namimili kami ng gulay. Namimili ng mga rice. Ito ano? 1 kilo na ba to? Half kilo. Luluto tayo ating lunch. Ito yung tinapa na nabili na sa market at nagagawa tayo ng ampalaya with egg. Ginisa. So, mas mahal kasi sa labas. But, at saka bagal ng service. Pag mayroon kang ganitong bahay, ikaw na magluluto. Lunch. Meron tinapa. Anong isda ito?
sabi na salmon.
Salmon. And then meron tayong egg na may ampalaya. At saka syempre, ang masarap na red rice. Si Ate. Destination is Lake Tanum. Katay dito. Eh, po na lang siya mabibili ng ticket. Sa gada guest house, akong puti. Sa Lake Tanum. Lake Tanum, sorry. Karado na. Hindi tayo makakapasok. Stop natin Kaya Cafe. Ganda. Coltadana. Dito siya yung dating Coltadana. Ang daming books. Ito si Lola, nagbabasa. Hello. Yan. Yan. Baligtad. Hindi. Mushroom carbonara. Sarap.
Spoon and fork.
So, meron tayong kamote, iihawan natin sa fireplace. Okay. Ayusin natin pala. Dito. Yan, tama. Alis natin ang kamote. Maluluto yan. Ito pa. More kamote. Okay. Our kamote is looking good. It will be ready in a few minutes. Inihaw natin and bibiyakin natin siya. Ang ating kamote, inihaw. Sarap yan.
Hello mga ka-senior, we're back at the guest house and I'm very happy with our second day here in Sagada because I was able to do some of the things that I've been meaning to do in Sagada. For one, I've been wanting to do blue soil and I finally was able to do it today. I thought it was going to be very difficult, but it was moderately easy. So from the town center, we drove for about 20 minutes to the jump-off point, and then from there, we trekked for about 45 minutes to reach the blue soil. I was very impressed with the blue soil because I finally learned that it was because of the copper deposit in the area, and copper turns the soil into blue. So we spent some time in blue soil before finally going back to the town center where we had a shopping of the Saturday market. Earlier, we were able to go to Pogo View Deck to wait for the sunrise. Unfortunately, there was no sunrise because it was very cloudy, but I was very happy to see the sea of clouds in Pogo and also to meet some of the people who've been we also woke up early to watch the sunrise. In between, we had some very good lunch at the guest house wherein we prepared ampalaya with egg, tinapa, and some fish. It's always very easy, good if you book into a guest house with kitchen. In between, we attempted to go to Lake Danum. Unfortunately, Lake Danum is closed at present. And we were also to go around the Episcopal Church area. And then finally, we had a coffee and pasta at Geya Cafe before going back to our guest house, wherein we enjoyed the fireplace and I cook kamote, broiled kamote, before having dinner of pinakbet. So that's it. It has been a very pleasant and exciting day 2 of our trip in Sagada. I hope you enjoyed watching our vlog today. Thank you very much for watching. Travel while you can. Until our next vlog. See you soon.